Every data engineer has felt this. A schema breaks, you spend an hour tracking the root cause, you fix it, and 2 months later, someone else hits a similar class of problem. Starting from zero, what if your AI agents actually remembered? This is analysis, a persistent memory layer for AI data agents built on Data Hub. Every time an incident is resolved, it becomes institutional memory that the next agent can search, recall, and inherit across any related problem. Let's run a live pipeline execution. We input a data dataset URN experiencing a breaking schema change and trigger our agent. Within a second, Nemesis detects the breaking mutation, traces the fault across lineage, and searches vector memory for past fixes. If a problem is completely new and known similar, no prior match is found. The agent reasons from scratch, generates a patch, and auto-indexes it as a new memory node. Now look at this second break on customers. Analysis recalled the related pattern instantly across vector similarity, recognized the underlying signature, adapted the inherited resolution, and marked it resolved. That's the core pitch. New issues expand the memory graph, and any related issue after that, exact or 60 to 70% similar, is resolved instantly. And, and this is what the dynamic memory graph looks like, an interactive constellation. Every incident is a node connected by semantic vector similarity, mapping exact catches down to partial related clusters or new nodes get added live. This is built from real vector embedding computed live. Every stage reads and writes directly through DataHub's MCP server. Lineage traversal for diagnosis, vector search for recall, and custom incident memory aspect written back to the metadata graph. Knowledge doesn't just get used, it compounds. Analysis turns every fix into memory and every memory into faster fixes. Code is live in GitHub under Apache 2.0. Thank you for watching.